سلام كم ياللهم كلهم تخاذلتنا يتشارل مساهم زلخ عبيري لو ما عندك غرف لي زبالة ما دبي يحزلكم ما تزلخم كم تلو مد عبوا في ساكم كل زلخو وتيلي زابي دي زي أزجاب زلخم بنياتو ناي زابي دي زي علامة حرم مدختي كم حرم سلسلة لخير من البعض بستفعل على جزء فيديو تاع تقولون نحرقهم بس حقيقة قبل بسنة إنفستهم قبل علينا فلتتنا مزحفت خلينا نبغالنا قال سمينارات كنساتف علينا كل سميعهم من تخونيهم من البعض تقول حنت فيديو بفلي قبل بسنة إنفست خلينا قبل زبل لنا سريح لهم لو ما عندي ذا فيديوز قبل هذا لهم خلينا على نبغى عليه لو ما عندي نسأل نخلته معلتي أكتوال نخلته معلتي نرجع سلسته معلتي قبل بسنة إنفست قبل عبشتن ناي أنا إذا برنامج زخام كابنا عهم بأفتراي عم نفسهم إنفست جبروا أبو أمرهم إنفست جبروا سكانات مسلو نفسهم يعبيو زبلكم بتكبر كريكم سلسلة الخير معناته حركة بتمين إنترنتي أبها لاتوب تعمل زفتوها أنت يتبل كلنا تليفون علاتنا كلنا موبايل علاتنا نفسه كيف جزء موبايلنا أبجريد نجبرينا حدش فيرجن من إنترنت أنا حدش سيستم ما تعرفي وانا قرالله من دغمت أنا أبجريد نجبرينا تليفون أمرنا خا أبكندي زينا أبجريد يلو مسحة ده واو بحكي كلنا تليفوننا أبجريد نجبرينا أبجريد تليفوننا أنا معبلنا حدش تليفوناتنا غير نفسنا جن أبجريد نجبرينا أنا معبلورينا نعبيورينا بس the question عباي حتازيا ስለዚህ لما عندي أنا أبدي نخلت معلتي كلام سنبت سنت أنا مول سنت أنا كلام سنبتني نخلت معلتي مالتي لما عندي عربنا إنه الفارس كابينا بس بتحنا لنا لما حجب أبوتي لنا مش بعد بيتي بحنسابينا خنساتف ناي leadership سنت أنا أو special دخانات درارن مستم عبيت ليدرات درارن نيشتك عم ينتشفن علاتنا أو مسكرنا خمي مسل كريكمي قدام كأخمي مسل سمينار سلطنا كمي مسل كريكمي سنبت كأخو تشلف ندبلكو كريكم كفتني مالتي سلام ناي سلطنا جزء جولة لي من مالتي أبتنا يزرعن أولا نايتي نرسلتني كوابينا استمريت بيتي جازيان لا سواد هو يرلو كريت من زورتو راكبي مسي تعمل السبل وقمت بتصاصات سلازي لو معلتي كنت صباحتي إيبان صباحي صباحي كلام سنبتني كدني يمكن عربي معلومة شكل لا تزور Okay, by the way, بينكم كم تزلوا مع الكليتين ونتسأل لازم ساي، تي wisdom تبغى تفتح بيني يكون المسمع حسب شركة قبله خلها ولا حدا كسبوا لو تي والكسبوا مع لسه حسب كان عبي بحسب تشير مجبرينا مثلا الناس حسب سحاب لا تكون كلهم كابز اللو حروت لو قسمنا بركو كل نجار كريكم يا مالتي اوكي مبار حجي تيناي اخيبا وينامي انترشيب سلطانه اتصو سلطانه وحدا سبب هذا يلو انت عنده نقدر تقوم بترين تودي له حجينا يدرار جزي خلال لا صواتا جزي بتحنا لنا او لهم كتير يوم يجي درار متصالو ابتايزر ነው ሰላጣ አብዘምና ወረዶ ወስና በሌላ ወዲና ለና بالحرز حال كان تمام كلهم ببوغرم يعللوا حسابهم ما يتلو انا ابزي بعد يانا مساكا بعد انجليزي مت ديفيد هال كل تصاوت نبره الله بتقبل خمس مسل لو ما انتي كمزي زباله مش كامسين انا صباح كاتي بنت كما يمثل ابتبوتا بزحات اشحال سبات تعدموا اليوم ابتبوتا كم يمثل كتير ويهم انا ون مدرك نعمل سبيك يقعد عند سلازلني انا ون سبيك كبري او رغبنا صباح كبري كم مسكرينا مالتي جيت ما يقول امتي والله او والله عليكم زوم شكرا لكم والله ናይ ድራር ጊዜ ማለት እዩ ሰላም ከመይ ሓዲርኩም ወረዲ ሎም መዓልቲ በዓና ቀዳም ንጎ ኮይኑ ኣሎ ትማሊ ናይ ድራርን ናይ ሜንቶርሽፕን ጊዜ ነርና ሎም መዓልቲ ብዓብይቲ ኢቨንት ክጅመር እዩ ማለት እዩ ሶ ናብቲ ኢቨንት ንኸይድ ኣለና ካብ ሆቴል ወፂና በዙ በዓልቲ ቤት ኣላ ንኸይድ ኣለና ናብቲ ኢቨንት ሕጂ መገድ ኢና ኣለና ኣብኡ ምስ በፃሕና ከዓ ኢቨንት ክጅመር እዩ ምስ ጀመረ ከመይ ይመስል ሕፅር ዝበለ ከዓ ከርእየኩም ክፍትን እዩ ማለት እዩ ሶ ኣወራኽበና
Good morning, everybody. We are live from Houston. Estamos en vivo desde Houston, Texas, en el set de Accelerate.
We are here on set for Accelerate Action.
If you missed it, you missed a huge opportunity.
Crazy, you can feel the vibe.
How my mindset literally just changed from being here. And
I cannot stress this enough. You have to be there.
Action for all those that talk down on the three. Take this in the play. Are you ready to go? Get set, don't check.
Successful people create conditions in their mind in order to succeed. So you got to put yourself in the mind of, I want this so bad.
Where are you from? Where? Jamaica. Jamaicans in the house. Where? Denmark's in the house. Michigan. Alabama. Alabama, right? Alabama, come on guys. Alabama's still a state. It's still a state right now. Alabama's in the house. Look at that. Where? Georgia! Okay. Life is not about a do-over. It's not about a do-over. When you sit in front of a person and you got that right person, that person who's been sitting around, who's been excited, they've been praying, they've been doing everything that they know to do, and they've been waiting for the right opportunity.
It's not a new beginning. It's the continuation of the greatest company that has ever existed on the planet of opportunities when it comes to showing people how to live life at its fullest. If you're with me, say yes.
Because of the sound of the drum that makes
Because we are about
so keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming,
an absolute major wave of momentum.
it's totally indescribable. Like my whole concept has changed for what I want to do, how I'm going to accelerate in my business.
I am here to create and launch the fastest success story that I've ever been able to do in my entire life, and I don't know anybody else that I can do it with like Mr. Holden Bug.
The events prepare the mindset. But
Yes or yes? Yes or yes? That's the focus. All the tools that they are giving to you is to get more customers.
but what you have to do after the event is take the action.
The leadership is amazing. You need to get here by all means necessary.
It puts you in the right mind frame, in the right space from day one.
Be in the building next time. If you're watching this from Zoom, be in the building.
Have for liftoff. The foundation has to be extremely solid for the liftoff that we're about to have. And we won't have time to slow down to fix you in the air. You have to make a decision right now that you are a part of the liftoff. With all that being said, this has been day one.
it's always Freedom Gear Day. Make sure you get your boom gear. Make sure you get your Accelerate. We have a lot on Accelerate, on Elevate, and we have a lot on Elevate tomorrow. You're gonna be blown away with everything that we have tomorrow. Make sure you come in here with your gear. See you guys tomorrow. Love you.
I showed up in boots, black and tired. The last one to know, the last one to show. I was the last one you thought you'd see there.
اوكي كلاي مዓልቲ ጀሚራላ ሎ መዓልቲ كلاي መዓልቲ በፅሕና ኣለና ሓደ ነገር ንከርእየኩም ደለየ ነይረ አረ ነው ትግልብጣ እዛ ካሜራ ሓደ ነገር ከርእየኩም ደለየ በዚ ናይቶም ሊደርስ ስእሊ ሎሞ ናተይ ስእሊ በዚ ስለ ዘሎ እሱ ከርእየኩም
Our diamonds, Abiel Gebrselassie. These are his reservations for this event, I believe. $600. He saved $28.20. He's got another one here. He saved $10. Got 127 reward credits, and he got another one here where he saved $26 and earned 327 reward credits. Way to go, Diamond.
First, give me some noise. Let me finish my question. Give me some noise. If you feel the training that you get so far is already worth your time and money. Side. So it's recognition time. We're gonna recognize those who have 1,000 boom club, 1,000 and above. So those who are in this club, they mean big, they mean a lot. So having 1,000 customers is not only about the customers, not only about helping people to save on their travel. It's more than that. That's why Icona is different. We are different, right? Yeah. Can you say we're different? Yeah. Those who are in this 1,000 and above club, they are helping thousands of people to save on their travel. Not only that, they are making difference in children's life. Yes. Right? So, as we all know, we are Boom Foundation, right? So, in Boom Foundation, whoever give a link to the customer when they activate, so this means a lot in the company. Customer is the backbone. We all know that, right? Yeah. Okay, great. So, we're gonna recognize those who
who are in this 1,000 and above boom club, those who are in this building and those who are in home, can you please stand up? Those who are in 1,000 and above boom club. So please make some noise. Thank you so much for sharing the video, for sharing.
Till you own your own, you can't be free. Till you own your own, you can't be me. How we still say from hustle to every morning the law that come. I'm on the street, man, it's it. I ain't seen that in mileage. So I must be like with no safety belt. On the road to the corner with no safety belt. I perform like Josh.
Let's give them some hand. Love it, thank you so much.